Hey, what's up, y'all? So I did my dishwasher last night, and you know how I said that's what I want to start doing? I did it. And I'm happy I did, because I woke up to a clean, no dishes. Anyways, I need my light that I showed you before to make this a better video and see more, whatever. But it's over there. I don't feel like it. And I don't know if you can tell, I got a freaking cold. So I am not doing very much today. At all. Just what I need to. Babysit my grandbaby. That's all I need to do, and that's all you're getting out of me. Yeah, that's it. That's all. That's all I got because I cannot think, and I'm tired, and I don't feel good. So there you go. There's your content for today.